Again these values construct Vasu, two values Miriam and Vasu, they will be passed to whose constructor? Same father's constructor. For updation of now these are values for what? Son. These are values for what? Son. So what is son? First name Miriam and the last Vasu. What about this Amar Ali? Suppose if you want to change, you change here first name Miriam Ali. Here you change this Krishna Aya. Okay, Krishna Aya. So Krishna Aya, that is last name. So if you run this one code, what happened? See, this is what father's first name, last name. So only in father's constructor you have passed that values. Okay, so these values passed to where? Father here. For the same constructor used for the son also. For son has no any special constructor I have created. Only son has one method only. So by inheritance we can redefine the code without writing lengthy codes for the son. We can use this father's constructor, father's method. If any attributes has the father, okay, they will be used along with the. Suppose here father has an attribute, that is what you remove this one. Color is what? One color. You declare a color is equal to, suppose it is light gold color. So this is there, it is a class variable declared inside of the class. Now this class variable will be shared with the father, and but father is an object, son is an object. So this class variable shared with along with the instance variable also. How? You simply within this constructor you need to create one more attribute, that is what? Color. Okay, now this color you need to write here where within the print statement. This is what? Okay, self dot first name you need to write like this. Okay, self dot color is equal to color. Okay, now what happened? So if you pass the values for here, color is what? String. That is what you can this light gold, I want to access this light gold as self dot color. Okay, here that is self print self name, you pass here self dot color. Okay, self dot color. Okay, now you compile this code. What is happening here? Constructor setup for instance, line 8 definite self f name, l name, color, indentation error, unexpected indent. In which line? 8th line. 8th line, where is this? This is 8th line. Okay, you run this, still further missing one required positional argument, further init. One required positional argument, that is where I need to pass here I need to pass that color. Color is what? Suppose father has some light color. Okay, now if you run this one, now father in missing one required positional argument, where in 22 line sun, we need to pass one more color for sun. We need to pass sun as what? same light summer, whatever. Okay, now if you run this code, okay, now it is okay. Now try to understand here. It is executed. Here light color here na. So father has the light color and son has the light color, but here the father has the light gold color. So if you want to access this along with the sun also, okay, along with sun also, you need to do what? Where is that? Self dot color, self dot color, color self dot color, color is equal to color. You do one thing, you stop this one. So now you try to understand that what is happening. So whenever I compile this code, what is happening? Try to understand. This class variable declared inside of the class color light gold. Okay, that light gold is shared with both the objects. Father has, actually we have passed what value? Light, and son has what? Light. But here these two objects shared this common property light gold. This is a class variable. Okay, here I have defined the light gold color is equal. So how it is being shared with the objects as a class. Rest of this Miriam, Krishna, Miriam was, these are what instance variables. They are sharing with the object. Okay, for these instance variable constructor is created to set up to design the instance variables. Okay, if you want to share these property, this is what attribute of the class father. It is a color. Father has a color of light gold. This color to be shared with along with your objects father and say son, along with instance variables Miriam, Krishna, Miriam. These two parameters for the son instance variables. Because this is what light gold. This is light gold is a class variable. Now that is how it is being shared. That moment only these instance variables defined here. Only this f name, l name. So no any. This put in comment section the total self dot. Why? Because I don't want to compare with the class variables. Okay, I don't want to call self dot first name, self dot last name is equal to. Okay, simply I have used instance variables. They will be updated by the constructor. Simply one printout statement I have asked here. So f name plus l name plus, here simply I have self dot color I have used, because f name, l name, they are the instance variable, but self dot color, this is called a class variable. So now this class variable will be, these two are instance variables. Okay, declared under the constructor. This is the class variable. Now your print, these values will be passed to these values. First Miriam, Krishna. This light will not be passed. This light will not be passed. Now self dot color means we are calling what? Light gold color, instant class variable. So your printout will be like this. C. What is that? C. This is what? This is for the father, first name, last name. The color that is declared here in as a class variable, because you are requesting for self dot color. Self dot means self keyword will be used to access the class variable. So this color will be taken. That color will be shared with the objects, instance variables. Even though if you have structure design the color of father as light and the son has the color of light, but that light gold will be shared along with the object instance variables, object variables. These are object variables. These two are object variables along with this class variable shared. So here inheritance